Miami Freedom Park is a proposed 25,000-seat soccer-specific stadium to be built in Miami, Florida, United States as the home of Major League Soccer team Inter Miami CF. In spring 2022, final approval was given by the City of Miami to build a stadium on the current site of the Melreese Golf Course, close to Miami International Airport. The decision followed a long process in which numerous locations were considered for the stadium. The current plans would see the stadium open for the 2025 MLS season. On March 25, 2014, David Beckham announced plans to build a 25,000-seat stadium at Port Miami, adjacent to the Miami Heat's American Airlines Arena, now known as Casia Center, in the downtown area of the city. Under the proposal, the stadium would have been located at the southwest corner of Dodge Island and be accessible by a pedestrian bridge from Biscayne Boulevard and the American Airlines Arena. On April 8, 2014, Miami-Dade commissioners refused to let Port Miami relocate a fuel spill facility that would have needed to move in order to accommodate the stadium and entertainment complex. In July 2018, Beckham and Mars unveiled plans for a 25,000-seat stadium as part of Freedom Park, a mixed-use complex at the site of the city-owned Melreese Country Club near the airport. The development, to be built on 131 acres of public land, would include 1 million square feet, 93,000 square meters, of office, retail, and commercial space, 750 hotel rooms, 23 acres of public soccer fields in addition to the 10.5-acre stadium, and the remaining 58 acres would be a public park. The owners would also make annual installment payments of $20 million for 30 years for improvements to public parks across the city. City commissioners voted to approve a referendum on the November 2018 ballot that would ask if the city should negotiate a no-bid lease with the investors. The measure passed with 60% of the vote, and will next require 4 out of 5 votes from city commissioners. Owing to concerns over the plan, the PGA Tour Latino America moved the Shell Championship season-ending event from Melreese to Trump National Doral Miami, Golden Palm in October 2018. Beckham announced in June 2019 that Freedom Park has a proposed launch date 2022. This has been approved by the results of a referendum in which 60% of the voters authorized the stadium. Also, Miami-Dade Circuit Judge Mabel Ruiz's decision preserved the results of a November referendum in which 60% of Miami voters authorized city administrators to negotiate a 99-year lease with the MLS team's ownership to develop Miami Freedom Park. The $1 billion stadium, hotel, office park, and commercial campus is to be built on 73 acres of city-owned land, currently Melreese Golf Course. The team would also build an adjacent public park. The MLS team, Inter Miami, would play at least 17 home games annually in the 25,000-seat stadium. On August 20, 2019, Miami Mayor Francis Suarez confirmed a recent report On April 28, 2022, the Miami City Council voted 4-1 to grant Inter Miami a 99-year lease for the Melreese site, with the stadium projected to open in the 2025 MLS season. On March 19, 2023, Melreese Golf Course was shut down to make way for the construction of Miami Freedom Park. The Freedom Park site is located near Miami International Airport and the adjoining Miami Intermodal Center, a rail and bus transfer station. It is served by Metrorail trains to downtown Miami and Tri-Rail commuter rail to the northern suburbs and counties. The Intermodal Center is located on the north side of the canal that separates the stadium site from the airport. Inter Miami will be part of a $1 billion investment. The team, owned by David Beckham, is one city commission vote away from striking a $1 billion deal to build a 27,000-seat stadium. Sports teams in the United States will soon be able to strike a deal to spend at least $10 billion in new stadium projects that will include entertainment, such as dining and hospitality. The reason behind this investment is to give NBA, MLB, NFL, MLS, and NHL fans a better experience during match days. All the professional teams in the United States are looking to invest at least $10 billion in building a new stadium, or in renovations by 2030. For example, the Buffalo Bills from the NFL have already proposed a $1.4 billion project to the city. The SoFi Stadium, home of the Chargers and Rams, opened in 2020 and it had a cost of $5.5 billion. That stadium has a performance venue for concerts and a pedestrian walkway. Other teams that are considering a move of venue or in renovations are the Kansas City Royals, MLB, Tampa Bay Rays, MLB, Washington Football Team, NFL, Chicago Bears, NFL, and Philadelphia 76ers, NBA. Almost every arena will try to be carbon neutral going forwards, Climate Pledge developer Oak View Group CEO Tim Lewake told CNBC. Inter Miami's new stadium. The team owned by David Beckham will be part of this deal, proved. They are planning on building the 17,000-seat soccer stadium in the Melreese Golf Course Club, and it will include a shopping mall, hotel and park. Leo Messi set to inaugurate Inter Miami's new stadium. The Miami Freedom Park will be inaugurated by the Argentine superstar and will offer a 25,000-seat stadium and extensive recreational amenities. Inter Miami, the renowned Florida-based soccer franchise, has announced exciting news for its fans. The MLS club, currently based at the DRV-PNK Stadium in Fort Lauderdale, is preparing to move to a new state-of-the-art facility known as Miami Freedom Park. This ambitious project, approved by the authorities, will not only serve as the team's new headquarters but also as a multi-purpose recreational destination. Situated in the same city as its predecessor, Miami Freedom Park will surpass the capabilities of its predecessor and provide an exceptional experience for spectators and visitors alike. Boasting an impressive stadium with a seating capacity of 25,000, this modern arena is scheduled to open its doors in 2025. Notably, this aligns with the continued presence of international soccer legend Leo Messi, who will still be contracted with the MLS franchise at that time. The decision to proceed with Miami Freedom Park was not taken lightly. The project underwent a crucial democratic process as it was put to a referendum among the people of Miami. The result of this plebiscite held last November was overwhelmingly positive, with over 60% of the participating population expressing their support for the venture. Inter Miami still on course to open billion-dollar stadium. Will Messi play there? Lionel Messi's free transfer to Inter Miami has quickly become one of the most seismic moves in recent soccer history. From social media followings to rumors that old pals might be joining him for the ride, Messi's decision has rocked the sport and potentially kick-started a realignment of power in soccer. But Inter Miami have some work to do on and off the pitch to ensure soccer royalty like Messi is playing in opulence. This starts with the team's new stadium, Miami Freedom Park, which is still under construction. Inter Miami co-owner David Beckham attempted to get construction approval at several sites before receiving the green light on Miami Freedom Park. Last year, the Miami City Council voted to grant Inter Miami a 99-year lease at a now-closed golf course near Miami International Airport. Inter Miami currently plays at 18,000-seat DRV-PNK Stadium in Fort Lauderdale, about 35 miles north of the airport. The stadium, built at a cost of $60 million, was only intended as a temporary venue for the club, while Miami Freedom Park was built to attract a global superstar like Messi. This is the end of our program today. See you on Inter Vlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Inter Vlog. Thank you.